Hey guys, thanks for watching. Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to do a deep clean that I honestly was not thinking of doing until I realized the disaster that happened in the kitchen today. The Starbucks creamer that my daughter uses spilled all over the fridge, and I mean all over, so I had to do a pretty intense deep clean of it. I do have a regular clean with me video coming up and even a clean and decorate video, but today, just because of the real life disaster that happened, I thought I would share just so you know that you aren't alone and that sometimes things happen that take you completely off course. I also share with you some other deep cleaning, a super easy sheet pan dinner recipe, and a Valentine Charcuterie board that is perfect for a date night with either your hubby or your kids. Honestly, after I filmed it, the board lasted only one night, so I know it's good, and while editing, I was drooling. Oh my god, the chocolate, it was insane. I did share it on Instagram, so if you aren't following me there, go ahead and take a minute to follow me at Rima at Home. I would love to have you.
Don't wanna go fast, 'cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this.
So like I said, the creamer was everywhere. This morning I wiped only the shelf it poured onto because I didn't really check and see, but later on I realized that it had poured underneath the shelves, into the drawers, and everything. But to see the silver lining, it was a moment for me to go through the fridge and see what had expired and what I needed to pick up from the store.
Let this slip, no. You gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me?
To clean the inside of the fridge, I'm using the Method Pink Grapefruit all-purpose spray, which I absolutely love, and a damp microfiber cloth. In some areas, I had to take out drawers and wash them in a sink with really hot water and some disinfecting spray. But again, it's always a good idea to clean out the fridge and to just take inventory of what you have. By the way, the crop sweater and the leggings that I'm wearing in the video are from Target, and I'll have them linked below since I sometimes get questions about what I'm wearing. I tried to take out this drawer, but I couldn't take it out and I didn't want to break it, so I had to soak the mess up with paper towel and then wipe it down to make sure that it was clean. I was trying to stay patient during this process, but like I said before, this mess was not something that I thought would happen today, so I was a little frustrated at the extra work. No worries though, the fridge looked so clean after, so it was worth the time and all of the effort. By the way, if you don't watch Joanna Thornton, I absolutely love how she cleans out her fridge and organizes her pantry. Her channel is so much bigger than mine, but I love watching her, and I'll leave the link to her channel below. She does her refrigerator and her pantry so beautifully and so patiently, and I always try to channel her energy while I'm doing chores like this.
They keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind.
Every once in a while you'll see my little puppy jumping up around me. She had woken up from her nap and she was just kind of hanging out wondering what I was doing. We decided to name her Ellie, and I know that we had first said Mochi, but the majority of my family just could not seem to get used to that name, so we ended up calling her Ellie, and she's responding to that name, and I think that's what we're going to stick to. But she is just so cute, and we're still in the puppy learning process, and honestly it's like having a newborn that can move and make messes and not wear a diaper at the same time.
To survive, we're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Oh, oh, oh. Two different minds. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. You know just what to say to
this is the last part of the big mess. Finally, it's all done, and I was just here trying to make sure that I got the drawer installed right. And after this, we're going to move on to the next big mess, which is my trash can. I'm so embarrassed to show you this on YouTube, but I think it's a real life mess, and it's so important to show that this can happen anywhere in any home. After cleaning out the mess in the refrigerator, I moved on to the next big mess that I noticed, which is a trash. I cannot believe how bad it had gotten, so clearly I needed to clean this out, vacuum the mess, and disinfect it all. This is your friendly reminder. If you haven't done this in a while, go ahead and do it today. And here there were some messes that I could not get off with the disinfecting white, so I'm going to go ahead and use a Dawn Power Spray and just let it soak a little bit and then go ahead and wipe it off again.
I just wanna leave, 'cause you know I really tried to put my feelings to the side, drifted away into the tide, and now it's really bad.
So after that disaster was taken care of, here I am just trying to fix up some roses that I have. I did order the pink ones on a grocery delivery order, and they came to me kind of not looking so good, and my husband actually bought me the red roses just because, and it was so sweet and made me so happy. So I'm just here going to try to fix them up a little bit, just to try to kind of liven everything up and make it look like a Valentine's Day bouquet. I think the pink and the red together are so pretty along with this gold vase, and they actually lasted quite a while after filming this video. I had about a week of all these gorgeous roses just blooming and making the house smell wonderful. I always feel like fresh flowers are such an easy way to decorate for any season, and you can
Your
for the chicken sheet pan recipe, and I make this probably about once a week. It's really easy and my kids just love it. So all I use are large chicken breasts cut in half, and then I wash them. I put them in a bowl, added olive oil, onion powder, some sweet smoky rub by McCormick, some dill, salt, garlic, pepper. Afterwards, I spray a sheet pan with cooking spray on parchment paper, and after mixing all the chicken together, lay it out on the sheet to marinate. I added veggies. I had green beans in the refrigerator, and I really love how green beans taste roasted. Then afterwards, you cover with foil and marinate for about a half an hour before baking at 350 for 25 minutes. Then remove the cover for about another 15. Just make sure that the chicken is cooked through.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone.
As a side, I like to make an easy pasta, but I add all similar flavors that are in the chicken. So I like to use store-bought Alfredo when I'm making an easy dish like this, and I know that the kids will love it, but I adapt a little bit, add olive oil and also some dill. I would have added some of the grill mates, but I didn't have any more of that.
Before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it.
This is what the chicken and the pasta look like together. It's delicious and easy, and I really recommend it. And these are the items that I picked up from my Valentine Charcuterie Board. Just a bunch of different fun desserts and chocolates and candies. I also have some fresh strawberries and some marshmallows and brownies. So we're going to be making these little kebabs that are so cute on the tray. This is just a wooden tray that I found. The tray I found at Target, and the bowls were from Home Goods. So I'm just here showing you the things that I picked up. Those kisses are so good. And we're just going to put everything together into a delicious tray. So to make the kebabs, all you need are one of these mini brownies, a marshmallow, and just a cut up strawberry on top. You can make these as big or as small as you want. These were just so cute on the tray, and they were actually the first to go. If you wanted to be even extra, you could kind of drizzle some chocolate syrup on top, but I thought I had enough chocolate on the tray, so I didn't do it. But honestly, these were so good, and they just look so cute on the tray.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest.
So what I've learned after making many charcuterie trays is to just have a nice variety of different things that kind of all go together. You can also make a savory charcuterie tray with cheeses and meats and different fruits that you like. But for this sweet one, I really just pick things that I know that my family will love. So all the different kinds of chocolate bars, brownies, cookies, macaroons, different chocolate candies, all of these things, and really just to make it look appealing to the eye. The other tip that I have is to make sure you fill in all of the empty spaces. And that's what I use the Hershey Kisses for. I just basically fill up any kind of empty area that I see. But if you're doing a savory tray, you can do the same thing with fruits. So you can get grapes and just kind of fill everything in, or different kinds of herbs are always delicious that complement the cheeses and the meats that you choose for your charcuterie tray. So here I am putting the Hershey Kisses in all of the areas that I think just look kind of empty, and then I kind of adjust things around because you want to make it look really full and just kind of fun and delicious, and really make somebody want to just dive in and try all the different things.
When you're around me, but this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah.
I also found this delicious truffle box of chocolates that I'm going to be filling one of the little bowls in. And also, just because I have these bowls, you don't need to have that. I just do it for differences in heights and that way you can make some of the items in your tray just show up a little bit more than the others instead of having just a plain flat surface. So here you can see it just looks really interesting, makes you want to kind of dive in and grab something and munch on, and I just thought it was so cute. And I also added that fresh flower there in the corner, and trust me, this tray went within one day, especially those eclairs and the little kebabs that I made. So I hope you enjoyed this video so much. I know that there was a lot of different things going on, but if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you subscribed. You can also follow me on Instagram at Rima at Home. And I just want to wish you guys all a really great day, and I hope you found some inspiration in this video. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!
God, I'm sick of this waiting.